wasn't that long ago when all bathrooms were viewed as a room where you quickly went in and got out. The bathroom wasn't seen as a place to lounge or dwell, but that's all starting to change. Many homeowners are now constructing what we like to call the modern day bathroom, a place to loiter and luxuriate. It is now becoming a part of the home where you want to impress your guests, much like the dining room or kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Billionaire Manifestation. If you really love beautiful and luxury bathrooms, you want to watch this video till the end. You will be amazed with the outstanding and luxury bathrooms. Number 20. Royal Suite Bathroom, Four Seasons Hotel, Florence, Italy. The Four Seasons Hotel's sumptuous decor fits its location in a historic palace. Rooms are filled with centuries-old paintings, statues and bas-reliefs, mixed with some modern and contemporary art. The atmosphere is formal, but the bright colours, flower arrangements and natural light streaming in from the glass roof in the lobby make it feel bright and relaxing. Likewise, this uber-elegant 18th century style bathroom looks like it was created for Marie Antoinette, featuring expensive marble, embellished wall panels, gilding, frescoes and more. The Royal Suite Bathroom at the Four Seasons in Florence is regal to a T. Number 19. Emperor's Suite Washroom, Empire Hotel, Tutong Hui, Brunei. The Empire Brunei welcomes discerning travellers with its sumptuous luxury, warm hospitality and pure serenity. The prestigious 5-star resort comprises stunning private beaches, lagoons, 5 pools, a championship golf course, 6 restaurants and a cinema, offering a host of guest experiences. The interior designers tasked with decorating the Emperor's Suite at the Empire Hotel in Brunei clearly maxed out their budget. Even this small bathroom has real gold accents, including a 24-carat plated towel rail holder, toilet brush and taps. Number 18. Art Deco Bathroom, Eltham Palace, London, UK. Eltham Palace is a large house at Eltham in southeast London, England, within the Royal Borough of Greenwich. The house consists of the medieval Great Hall of a former royal residence, to which an Art Deco extension was added in the 1930s. The ultimate Art Deco bathroom, this spectacular place in London's Eltham Palace, was created in the 1930s for Virginia Courtauld, who together with her husband, Stephen Courtauld, oversaw the stately home's refurb. It wows with onyx and gold tiles and a swish marble bathtub. Number 17. Mirrored Bathroom, Le Royal Monsieur Raffles, Paris, France. Located just steps from the Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe, this celebrated landmark reinterprets its Art Deco history in a contemporary fashion, complete with a movie theatre and art gallery. Le Royal Monsieur Raffles Paris seamlessly mixes modern art and Hall of Mirrors bathrooms, with crystal chandeliers and grand staircases. A narcissist's dream bathroom, the glam flagship suite at the Le Royal Monsieur Raffles Hotel in Paris, which was revamped in 2010 by the one and only Philippe Starck, rocks stunning geometric mirrors and super chic mirrored furniture. Number 16. Warhol Chanel Bathroom, Trump World Tower, New York, USA. It is the number 5 art piece in Andy Warhol Chanel. The alabaster wall catches the most attraction of this bathroom. In this bathroom, the shower has not less than 10 shower heads. Its wall, sink, taps, tiles, doors are all made of 24-karat gold, which make it the most expensive bathroom. Furthermore, its floors are adorned with gold bars. This is one of the craziest expensive creation of deluxe. The Trump World Tower in Midtown Manhattan takes conspicuous consumption to a whole new level. This condo, which sold in 2013 for a whopping $9 million, is brimming with the most expensive marble money can buy, as well as a bona fide Andy Warhol Chanel No. 5 art piece. Number 15. Gilded Ensuite, Donald Trump's Boeing 727. The bathroom in Air Force One must be a come down for President Trump if the master bath in his private Boeing 727 jet is anything to go by. The glitzy space has a soft leather-covered toilet, a gilded towel rail, and a gold-plated sink. Number 14. Grey Marble Bathroom, 924 Bel Air Road, Los Angeles, USA. one of America's most expensive properties, 924 Bel Air Road, was purchased in January for $94 million. The mansion has a total of 21 luxe bathrooms, including this grey marble one, which is kitted out with a spa bath, a massive walk-in shower, and leather double massage couch. Number 13. Gold-plated bathroom, Rutland Gate, London, UK. The entire contents of London's most luxurious mansion were auctioned in 2015 after the owner, a Saudi royal, failed to find a buyer willing to stump up the $393 million asking price. Since then, it was purchased by a Chinese tycoon for a record-breaking $275 million. The lavish home includes jewel-encrusted bidets, baldy baths, and gold-plated fixtures. Number 12. Luxury Spa, Oceanfront Estate, Florida, USA. The handiwork of Simmons Building, this ultra-spacious master bathroom belongs to a property on Jupiter Island, complete with a massage space. It's one of the most impressive bathrooms in the Oceanfront Florida estate, which was custom built in the early 2000s. Number 11. Master Ensuite, Chelsea Hall, Oakville, Canada. We can see why Chelsea Hall in Oakville, Ontario was once listed at $45 million. Like the other rooms in the mansion, the Master Ensuite is swoon-worthy, with a spa bath, ornate chandelier, and gold-plated sinks. Number 10. Gilded Bathroom, Chalet Estate, Surrey, UK. If you want to see world-class opulence take shape before your eyes, then the Gilded Bathroom is the perfect pick. Located within a Grade 2 chalet on the bank of Thames, the bath is a masterpiece in its realm. The instantaneous shower has copper bathtubs along with the Japanese toilets which ooze luxury from all angles. Teaming up with the bathroom fittings is gilded Italian wash basins which further amplify the show of the room. The home was listed in 2019 for a whopping $3.7 million, and the reason is quite clear before the viewers. Number 9. Balinese-style bathroom, Hualili Resort, Hawaii, USA. This blissful bathroom is the standout space in Haliku Manor, a sprawling Balinese-style mansion in Hawaii, which was sold by Concierge Auctions in 2013. For $13.5 million. Enveloped in lush greenery, the Zen semi-outdoor room is the ultimate tranquil space to relax and unwind. Number 8. Roman Bathroom, 13 Hotel, Macau, China. Located in Macau, China, the 13 Hotel is obscenely high-end with absolutely zero expense spared on the bathrooms. This master ensuite takes your breath away with a stained glass rain shower, freestanding marble tub, and gilded candelabras. Number 7. Fresco Bathroom, Hotel El Salviatino, Florence, Italy. Guests who are wealthy enough to afford a night or more at the sumptuous alfresco suite at Florence's Hotel El Salviatino, a converted Renaissance palazzo, can gaze up at beautiful ceiling frescoes while they relax in the bathroom's magnificent ancient stone tub. Number 6. Aquarium Bathroom, Preston Hollow Mansion, Dallas, USA. Soaking up in this whirlpool tub surrounded by colourful tropical fish has got to be heaven. This amazing aquarium bathroom was installed in a Renaissance-style mansion in Dallas that was listed and snapped up by a buyer in 2019 for just under $6 million. Number 5. Safari Bathroom, Madikwe Hills Private Game Lodge, South Africa. The honeymoon suite at the high-end Madikwe Hills Private Game Lodge is blessed with the most incredible space, an outdoor terrace bathroom where guests can watch elephants, lions, and other big game animals roam as they sip champagne in the tub. Number 4. Royal Suite Bathroom, Burj Al Arab Hotel, Dubai, UAE. The Royal Suite at Dubai's Burj Al Arab Hotel boasts super lavish interiors with a master bathroom to boot. It ticks all the high-end boxes with a huge marble whirlpool tub, 5-head rainfall shower, and gold-plated fixtures. Number 3. Extreme Wow Suite Bathroom, W Hotel, Sentosa Cove, Singapore. This appropriately named Extreme Wow Suite at the W in Singapore is the last word in quirky luxury. The bathroom doesn't disappoint with a unique steel oval tub, a custom champagne ice wall, and a bespoke chandelier among its many marvels. Number 2. Glitzy Gold Bathroom, Palatul, Primaveri, Bucharest, Romania. Dictators tend to have a penchant for bling and lavish layers. And Romania's Nicolae Ceausescu was no exception. Almost every fixture in the master bathroom at the former presidential palace in Bucharest is made from solid gold, including the toilet paper holders and taps. Number 1. Karl Lagerfeld's Suite Bathroom, Hotel de Crillon, Paris, France. The legendary late fashion designer Karl Lagerfeld turned his hand to interior design in 2017, revamping 2 suites at the impossibly luxurious Hotel de Crillon in Paris. One of the highlights, this master bathroom has a tub carved from a single block of Carrara marble, weighing in at 2 tons. It's definitely as outrageous as some of these homes belonging to the world's fashion icons. At the end of the video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.